Hello, welcome back to the channel. What else would we be doing on a cold January Tuesday morning other than road testing some new camping gear? Today I've got the wildcamp ultralight stool out with me. I'm going to trade out my old sit pad, which is uncomfortable and very undignified when you're trying to sit down when you're at my age nowadays. And I've got the heiro solo stove set. I'm going to trade out my old Odeland set, and we'll give these a wee go here, just down at Wildcamp Park. Nothing special. I'll make a wee cup of tea, see how long it takes for that, and we'll see how comfortable my ultralight stool is. So before we do the main tests of the cook systems, which will be just a simple how quickly to boil, I thought we would do a weight test as well. So let me see. This is the wildcamp stove. In fact, let me see. This is the Odeland one. Both pretty the same size, height wise. Weight wise, the wildcamp comes in at 357 grams. The Odeland one, which you can see is just like a 2 pots, and you can see a stove and a wee stand. I haven't bothered putting the gas canister in, because obviously it'll be the same weight for both. It's coming in at 349 grams, which is slightly lighter than the wildcamp. Just making sure there at 357. So I'll put to the head slightly on weight. That's it if you're into the weight. Now the seat system. Obviously the ultralight stool is far bigger than the cheaper version of the, I don't even know if that's the name, wwaggo seat pad, just off Amazon, a couple of £. I'm comfortable enough to get down on. Weight wise, I'm not even too sure, it has registered 24 grams. That's obviously going to be far lighter than the wildcamp ultralight stool, but this is just going to be a wee bit more dignified probably to sit down on. And it's coming in at 367 grams. And there got all the details of it there. Not too sure if we can see it. Product weight 0.4 kilograms. Product size 26.5 by 26.5 by 27. And then the pack away size is 36 centimeters by 9 centimeters by 8, or 9 centimeters again, sorry. So let's see. So we'll do the main test down the park here of the boiling of the water to see how long it'll take, and then comfort test of these two. So I'll check it back in down the park. So here we go for the final part of the test. Just going to boil up a full pot each and see how long it takes. going to fill them up, 500 milliliters each. For a nice fair test. We're both are ready to go. I'll sit back on my wildcamp stool on my wee seat pad. I'm not too sure which one, but we'll boil them up and we'll take it from there. So there we have it. 3 minutes for half a litre of boiling water out of the Odeland Heiro stove. The Odeland's still going. It's getting there. I'll let it finish off.
5 minutes later.
So just under 8 minutes. Let's see, just under 8 minutes for the Odeland stove to get boiled. So well over double the time of the OX Heiro. Not much size difference. And then, but the Odeland was, I think, 12 grams lighter. But if you're up in the hills or mountains, you'll probably need like a stove guard, which is going to add to the weight and more, obviously carrying more stuff then. The OX boiled quicker. That's what it's there for. So, going by this test. It's still warm, and you can hold it with the little sleeve on. I think the OX Heiro wins that one, hands down. Going with the 2 seat systems. This could be used more if inside the tent, or if you just need to kneel down. This, the ultralight stool. It is actually quite comfortable, to be honest. I was skeptical about it at the start. Once you get used to it and you get settled into it, it seems to be a winner. I'm coming in at under half a kilogram. Can't be bad with that. Well, it doesn't take up too much space. You could probably put it in the side pocket of the bag, but I'll just end this here. Nice wee experiment. I think the 2 OEXs win it, hands down probably. I'll finish it off with a cup of tea, enjoy the rest of the morning. The sun's coming out finally here in Lurgan, so hopefully see us all back out next week in the trails. See you then.